Don't settle for the first roofer who comes knocking on your door. Keep watching for the inside scoop. Picking the wrong roofer can void warranties on your roof, cause unintentional damage, and cost you more on future insurance claims. We see this on the regular. Too many homeowners are misinformed and taken advantage of. Just last week, one of our sales consultants was meeting with Mrs. Baker. We learned that Mrs. Baker had unknowingly agreed to an unethical contract with a no-name roofer in town who agreed to pay her deductible, making her think she was getting a great deal, only to find that this contractor would be downgrading her roofing system and not completing all the necessary repairs. Don't let this be you. High Performance is a trusted roofer in North Texas with an A+ from the Better Business Bureau, hundreds of excellent reviews, and a lengthy track record of providing our clients high quality, legal, and ethical service. High Performance installs upgraded, high quality, high impact roofing systems that can weather most storms. If you're tired of replacing your roof more often, understand you have options that the no-name roofer in town won't tell you about. Work with an ethical contractor. We can position you for insurance discounts, tax credits, complimentary upgrades, and peace of mind. Discover why we are High Performance. Click the button below to receive your free upgrades that other roofers charge extra for.